Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to perform the Countif function. So first of all, let us introduce you to the dataset here. This is a NBA dataset of two teams, away and home, and their corresponding scores for 100 trials. And we have the win and loss statements for the away team. So in this table you can see that we want to count the number of wins for the away team. So in order to do that, press equal, type Countif, and select the desired column for counting the win statement. From the keyboard you should press Ctrl plus Shift plus down after selecting one cell of the desired column, then comma, and press quotation mark, type win, close the quotation, close the bracket, and hit enter. So we can see that the away team has won 69 times in 100 trials. Now we want to count how many times it has scored greater than 100. So we will select the range of the scores this time for the away teams. Select the first cell, then Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow, press F4 from the keyboard to lock the column, press comma. Since we want to count the scores which are greater than 100, keep the greater than sign, type 100, quotation mark closed, close the parenthesis, press enter. So we can see that it has scored 93 times of scores which are greater than 100. Now we want to count this count of scores which are less than 98. Similarly, type Countif, select the range, press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow again, F4, press F4 again to lock the column, comma, quotation mark, less than sign this time, give 98, close the quotation mark, close the bracket, and press enter. So we can see that the number of count for less than 98 is only 2. So this is how you can perform the counting function in different scenarios. I hope you learned something new in this video. Please subscribe to my channel for a new interesting video. Thank you.